Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add payment method to Warrior Plus. What you need to do, just go to Warrior Plus and then log in your account. And then here, your profile name, just click my account and then click here merchant accounts, and you see here new account, just click here and then just you choose PayPal, Stripe, bank account. Just choose which one do you want. This is what you need to do if you want to add payment method to Warrior Plus. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.